Or when September 8th. Let's get on to it. Number of people aware of a secret. On day 1, one person discovers a secret. You are given integer delay, which means that each person will share the secret with a new person every day, starting from delay days after discovering the secret. You're also given integer forget, which means that each person will forget the secret. Forget days after discovering it. A person cannot share the secret on the same day they forgot it, or on any day afterwards. Give an integer n, return the number of people who knows the secret at the end of n, at the end of day n, since the answer may be larger than modulo it. So each person will share the secret with a new person, with one new person every day, starting from delay days. So n equal to 6 on day 1. So we have one person. So we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have days. So this is people. You know what? Let's do this. So I have people. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we have day. Day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter. We want number of people who know the secret at the end of Oh, wait, hold a second. I don't have the number of people. I don't know the number of people. We just have the sixth day, right? So first day we have this. On the second day, third day, so delay 2. Then we have this person, right? Because this tells. And on the fourth day, we have this person. So because this tells this. But before, and then this one is end. So this one wait for 2 days and it starts to tell a new person. Oh, simulation, it's also not really that simple. But anyway, on fifth day it tells this person, right? On sixth day it tells this person. And this person wait for 2 days. So 1, 2, so 5 people. Yeah, 5 people. So basically, we have n is 1,000. So we can say each day, right? How many people have know the secret on each day? So on the first day, we have 1 person. Second day, because of that, but we also need to keep track of how do we keep track of each person is independent, right? Each person is independent, so it's just depending on from which day they know the secret, right? They know the secret and to which day they will forget about the secret. And all we need to do is to simulate the scenario. So in this case, delay is 2, forget is 4. So if we start from day 1, right? If we start from day 1, it will start to report share secret. So from day 1, now we share on day 3. And I forget on day also given me people will forget a secret. It's 4 days after discovering it. So plus 4 will be day 5. So for this person, we have 3 and 4, right? So basically the difference is 2. So we can get 2 secrets for this person. So that's one person, right? And then for these 2 people, right, I need to know from when they start to get. So I know this from, so from day 3. So the second person, so this is people 0, right? So for P1, it will start from 3, right? And the other one for P3, P2, it will start from 4. So if I'm 3, I will start share at 5. And I'll stop share at 7, which is already outside. So we don't consider because we have a max is 6. So basically 6. So this I can have one person. All right, one person. So which is P3 will start with 5. So 4 will start sharing on the 6th day, and it will start, and it will stop at 6. So that person still count. Huh. Yeah. So this actually, wait, how many people? 3, 4. Right, this is 5. Which is P4. Right? P4. Oh no, that's P3. Start at 5. And for P2, the second person, we start from here, right? And we'll wait for 2 days, then we'll notify someone. So 6 is we can take, this is a cannot take. So we should actually say, wait for 4 days. At this day we cannot do. So which day we cannot do, right? So day 6 we still can do, so it's day 7. So this is actually day 7. So that's why we have 1 and day 7, and so this is actually can have 2. This actually can have 2 people. Huh? Well, we start at 3. We wait for 2 days, 5. So 5 is the first one. And then 6 will be the second one. Right, 6 will be the second one. So this actually can give rise to 2 people. This we start with 6, so that will give you 1 person. And this is cannot do. Now we have 6. What? Day 1, 1 person, okay. Day 2 is only 1. Day 3 we have 2. Day 4 we have 3. Yes. Day 5, A forget. Oh, A forget. I forgot the forget part. Well, someone forget. Which means at the end, they won't forget, but these still are there. So we do have a P4, which is start at 6. And P1 also shares, right? P1 also shares because P1 has 2. One starts at P5 and the other starts at, one starts at 5, one starts at 6. And then P2 will have a P5, also starts at 6. Huh. So from one person, right? P1, I know it can create 2. Right? It can create 2. But what is also important is when these 2, because that also determines how many its children can produce. And we need to also consider forget. Yeah, so for each person, I know the range of days that it can produce. And at the end, okay, so you know the range. Then from this range, so essentially, initially it's 1 to 1, first day, right? And in this case, after that, after the first one is done, and actually forget, so we actually get, 3 to 3 to 4. And then for each one, 3 can give you plus 2 is 5, right? And then plus 4 is 7. So 5 to 6. And 4 can give you, 6 to 6. And then the forget day is this one, the forget day is 7, so that's without, so we don't have to, so this one will not forget. So the length of this is 2, length of this is 2, length of this is 1. Because this you can keep going, this will be 7, so that's 0, right? This is also not going to work. So maybe we do something like this, just branching. Let's try this, n equal to 4, so 4th day, okay? So again, we start with 1, 1. And the end time is 4. What we forget, so this one is give you 0. So this would not survive. But 1, 1, essentially it's just 1. So this will only give you 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it starts with 2. And start with 2, because if forget at 4, which means I have 2 and 3, right? Forget, so this to this, and then because they're different. So, oh, it can have many things in between. And each one of them can create. So it's not like bifurcate. It can have a lot more in the middle. So 2 is 3 to 4. Right? No, it is to 4. 2 to 4. A 4 can be included. This will be 3 to 4. And then this will be 5. And that's not going to work. But they also have 3 here, which will give you 4 to 4. And 2 will give you 5, so none of them will forget. So this gives you 3. And this will give you 1. This will give you 2. But this can also start at 3, and wait for 1 day. Huh? Maybe we can know at each day. If I know at day n-1, right? We can maybe dp this. We'll say dp n-1 is equal to whatever I know. So what is dpn on nth day? How many people there are? So if this n-1, I want to also know what is the end date, because when I transition to the next, some might need to forget. So maybe we can have, maybe we can have, let's say, secrets I is the number of people that know secret at ith day. Forgets I is the number of people that forget at ith day. That number of so if I know secrets I and I know forgets I, right? Forgets I means on ith day we have that many people need to forget. So secrets already handled as forget. So for the I plus 1, right? So I plus 1, the first thing is everybody who knows the secret can tell the next person, right? Everybody knows the secret and tell the next person, which means the number of people who know the secret will double. So secrets, I plus 1 should double secrets I, right? They should double it. But it is also a case of, people need to forget. How do we handle? So we know the previous that many people forget, right? So basically the remaining ones, how many need to forget? Oh no, it's not time because you also have delay. Well, if I know all that at each day, right? So actually, secret I plus 1 is not equal to this. It should equal to so I should have the newly no secret person on I. So they need to wait. So they will be ready plus 2. So we should say ready. Now we should have like a ready I. Ready to share. How many people on this day is ready to share? So when I want to know secrets I plus 1, I'll find ready I plus 1. So on I plus 1 day, that many people can share, right? That many people can share. So I'll create that many new people that can know the secrets, right? That know the secrets. Right, that many new people that know the secrets. And then I also have forget. So I'll do on this day so like if I have secrets on this day, and then on this day I'm ready to share, and on this day I'm ready to forget, right? So in between, ready. So in between is just continue whatever it is, and then we'll add, and then ready forget. This is just minus. So that is just secrets, right? The secrets is the people who are ready to know. We have people who are ready, and we also have secret. Secret is just at that time, right? Because you tell the person, so on that day, who knows, and those persons, some of them might not be ready to share, right? So those will move to the future. We have the ready to share, and they move to the future. And then for the current day, we have the number of people who can share, so that will be the additional, right? So we have maybe, let's say we have 3 arrays, okay? We have secrets, we have forget, so we have ready. Okay, so if we have this, when we start, right, day 1, so we say secrets 1 is 1 person, forgets hold on, let me do it the other way. So we have secrets, forget, and ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the days. So on day number 1, we have one person have secret, and then plus 2 days, so he will be ready. So ready will be here, plus 4 days, plus 4, 5. So this will be like -1, right? He needs to forget. Okay, now we go to day 2. Day 2, number of secrets, I just do this, so we add this, so still 1. Day 3, we have one person ready, so we add this, right? So we add this amount of people who are ready, and which means, so we add this number of people, so who will be ready to share. So we add one person, ready to share will be 5. So additional new people ready to share is here, so we have 1 here. And forget, it's outside, so you don't have to worry, right? And now we add 1. So basically we add this, so we add 1, so we have 2 people here, right? So we add this, and then we add this, and then we have add this. And then on the 4th day, we have 2 people, because we don't have. Oh, ready, we actually move on here, we have 1, right? We have 1. So this one will have ready plus 2 is 6, so which means on 6 we have 1 person ready. So here is going to be 3, right? So now we move on here, so this is actually, we have 2 people ready, right? We have 2 people ready to share, so we need to plus 2, so we have 5 people ready, but we're -1, so actually we only have 4 people have the secrets, and those 2 will add 2, so 7, but it's outside, so we don't worry about it. And then finally we have 1, so actually we have 3, right? Because we have 2 people ready, so we have 3 people who are able to do the share. But 1 person cannot share. Okay, 1 person cannot share. Here's a little bit thing we need to handle. So I know this is a 1 because we handle this, and this is also a 1. Right. So okay, now we say ready, we shall have 2 people ready, right? But we have 1 forget, so this is actually only 1, right? Only 1. And then we'll add all these together, so this only have 3 people, because you add 1, but you also need to remove 1. So it's the ready need to remove 1, secrets need to remove 1, so only have 3. Okay, now move on to the next one. So we have 2, right? And this will become 5. Let's try the other one. So this is 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we have secrets, forgets, and ready. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first day I have 1. Okay. And then the delay is 1, so plus 1. So on this day we have 1 will be ready. Okay, yeah. And then forget is 4, so this will be the -1 over here. So the second day I have 1. So I check this is 0, so I have 1 that's ready. So I can add 1. Right, I'll add 1 for yeah, we have additional 1 who will be ready, plus 1 will be 3. So we'll have one additional 1 ready here, and that additional will be will forget at 5. So okay, we don't have to worry about forget. So we handle the ready one first, and then we'll use forget, and then we'll add these together, so we have 2 people basically. Now move on to here. So we'll have 2 in total, right? That can give. So we can do 2 more people, right? We can do 2 people, and those 2 people will be ready, plus 1. So this will be 2 people. Well, be additional will be 2 people, and then we plus 3 is 6 is outside. So here we'll have 4. Now coming here, we should have 2 plus 2 is 4, but we have one of them not ready, one of them forget, so this is actually only 3, right? And then we add them together, this is 6. Therefore the secret is 6. Ooh, this is actually quite interesting. Took a while. Okay, we're not sure if it's correct, but we'll definitely, you know, give it our money's worth on this one. 2327. We will maintain 3 vectors: secrets, forgets, and readies. Ready. Secrets I. Secret, forget, and ready. Secret, forget, and ready. So secret I is the number of people who know the secret on the ith day. Forget I is the number of people who forget the secret on the ith day. Ready I is the number of people ready to tell the secret starting right from the ith day. Each time when we create new people who know the secret, we update forget I plus forget, right, to record additional people who need to forget on the future date of I plus forget. Right. Similarly, we update ready I plus delay, right, to record additional people who are ready to tell secrets in the future day of I plus delay, right? When a future date arrives, we update. We use we update forget I plus forget, similar to prefix sum, right? Now we update this plus equal to forget I plus forget minus 1. Yeah, well, we update as follows. So forget will be this, right? Very straightforward, forget. And then ready, I plus, now, so forget, and a future date j arrives. So forget j, or plus equal to j minus 1, ready j, right, plus equal to ready j minus 1 plus forget j, and secret j plus equal to ready j plus forget j. Note that we keep negative values in forget. Okay, so we say std vector int secret n plus 1, forget n plus 1, and ready n plus 1. Okay, and for int I equal to two, because I should say secret 1 equal to 1, secret 1 equal to 1, forget 1 plus forget. Oh, actually no. Right, and we say if forget, now if 1 plus forget is smaller than n, smaller or equal to n, then we can do forget 1 plus forget equal to negative 1, and if 1 plus delay is smaller or equal to n, we say ready 1 plus delay equal to 1. So this size smaller or equal to ni plus plus. Okay. All right. So first thing we do is forget I plus equal to forget I minus 1, and ready I plus equal to ready I minus 1 plus forget I, and then secret I plus equal to forget we do update, ready we update, and so we ready update, and then ready j plus delay equal to ready j if j plus delay is smaller or equal to n, and then forget j plus forget equal to minus, we shall always say plus equal to, right? So this plus equal to ready ready j, ready j Ready J. Actually, I'm not sure. Oh, the forget is actually a little bit difficult to handle because the forget should be every time a new thing comes, right? Then we need to forget. Yeah, so these are the ready is like these are ready to create a new one. So yeah, so this actually I think is correct. So it would be negative if j plus forget is small equal to n. All right, I don't think I can do it this way. So we have to go through it. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, shoot. All right. Secret. Forget. Ready. Okay. Secret. So this is a forget. This is a ready. Okay, so forget is very straightforward. Ready plus equal to ready plus forget. Okay, and then we need to update. This is also straightforward. Secret shall plus equal to ready I plus forget I. Here is the trick. So ready if I plus forget is small equal to n, then forget I plus forget plus equal to negative ready I. If I plus delay is small equal to n, then ready I plus delay plus equal to ready I. Forget. Alright, can I really put this one in? So if it's 1, be 0, ready will be 0. And then at the end, we'll return secret n. Not sure, but we'll give this a run. See if it's correct. Huh. Oh, because plus equal to secret I minus 1. The first one. How? Okay. We got 1. Delay is 2. Plus 3. Right? I mean, just 3, so this is a 1. And forget is 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 should be a negative 1. Okay, so forget is 0 equals 0. And this 2 will be this, so it's still 0. Oh, if ready I is larger than 0 and is that the reason? Nope. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's actually not matter. I plus plus equal to, so I don't do it, right? So now I move on to this day. So this day, forget it's still 0. Ready. So ready is still 1. And then it's 3 plus 4. So I don't do forget. But 3 plus 2 is 5. Alright, so ready plus equal to, so this will be plus equal to this. So this is actually going to be a 1. So it'll be this plus this, so secret is 2. No, I think we should debug this. So int n equal to 6, delay is equal to 2, forget is equal to 4, if I remember correctly. 624, yeah. And this is gonna be people. Oh, what the hell? Okay, n delay forget. Zero 9. Okay. All right. So this will be 0. This is still 0, and then this is ready. Minus ready. But ready is 0, right? So this shouldn't change anything. This is also, but also don't change anything. So secret I is equal to 2. So you should 1, all right? That's correct. Next, forget still nothing. Ready, we're at I is equal to 3. Ready should still be 1. So forget, so 3 plus 4, so this is skip. But that's 3 plus 5, so this I shall do. 5 become 1. Right, 5 become 1, that is correct. So the secret is 2. Correct. So next, forget should still be nothing. Ready should become 1. Yes. Forget will be nothing. Ready Now I have 1, so and we have 4, so 6 should be 1, yes. And now it should be 3, right? It should be 3. Good. Next, I is 5, so 5 I do have, so that's still -1. So the ready count is gonna be 5. So our plus the previous was 2 minus 1, so it should still remain 1. And then still skip 5. This will skip. So I add it together. That shall still be 3. Right? This is still 3. That's correct. Now last one. So last one. Oh, the forget. Forget. Once you forget, so forget, don't accumulate. Once you forget, you're done. Okay. That makes sense. So forget, don't accumulate. Forget, don't accumulate. Forget, do not accumulate. So forget, do not accumulate. All right, so next thing we have to do the mod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? This is fine. -1. Oh Lord. So we need a minus and then plus mod. Yeah, I hate that. But we are going to do it. So first 2 things is fine. No need to worry about these. Here is the thing. So basically, okay. So we have to long this just in case we overflow. Okay, so long this. What we do is I plus this plus this. Okay. And plus mod. So this will be forget, I plus forget, minus this, plus mod. And this will be ready, I plus delay, plus this, mod. At the end, secret, I plus this, plus mod. Okay. I hope it works. Damn, it does. Good. Very good. No count and share count. Oh, it directly handle. I actually don't know. But I think we are probably doing it the same way. Know and share. So does this count as a DP solution? I think it counts. Oh, actually I forgot to delete this one. This one's not correct. Dude. This is not correct. But okay, so I think we did it pretty well. It took a while though. It took like an hour.